Hi guys, and welcome back to her channel. It's the Jamaican mother's youngest daughter, and I'm so excited to be doing this voiceover today because I love stew peas and rice. It's my absolute favorite meal, I promise you. Alright, so these are all the ingredients, and as you can see already, my mom uses smoked turkey, no pork, and I know I just lost some of you here. But don't knock it until you try it. I'm telling you, there's no shortage of flavor here. It is so delicious. Oh. All right, so she's washing the beans, and then she's gonna add the beans, the garlic, and the smoked turkey to the water right there to the pot. Yes. There it goes, there it goes. Ooh, and then you have to just let that boil for a good while. Look at that. 1.5 to 2 hours. This is pure love. After that time, you can add the coconut milk and stir, because at this point the beans have started to, cook, and they're soft now, or starting to get soft. You don't want anything mushy. Look at that. And you can see it's already starting to thicken up. It's been cooking for almost 2 hours. Wow. And at this point, she reduces the heat, and mother adds the chopped ingredients. So that's the scallion, thyme, pimento seeds, bell peppers. What else? Oh, hey, there's a scotchy. See the scotch bonnet pepper there? And you're gonna add that whole, just to infuse the stew with that scotch bonnet flavor, but not all the heat, if you had cut it. So what's this? Probably some all-purpose seasoning, and that looked like black pepper. And then give it a stir. Oh, look at all those colors. It's so pretty. I love this. So much love in one pot. Alright, so she just covered that. And at this point, you can put on your rice to cook and then begin making the dumpling. And in this recipe, Jamaicans, we use spinners. That's what we make. And you guys, some of you are wondering, what is that? You'll see in a second. It's just the shape of the dumpling. So she's kneading the dough right now. I'm telling you, think this is easy? Everybody loves this when she makes it. Not only me, because, I'm the daughter, so you guys are probably thinking, yeah, but I promise you, everybody loves this. So now she's gonna form the spinners, and so you just take up a piece of the dough and you just roll it in the middle of your hand, just like that. And it should look like this. Beautiful. And add them to the pot as you make them. Bam. Yes. Bam. Yes. Alright, so you gotta let the dumpling cook now. So it's been simmering now for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at that. Yes. Oh, could I have a plate of this? Give this video a thumbs up if you would totally eat some of this right now. Yes, I would. And it's done. Time to eat. And you just served that stew over a bed of rice. We were trying to be fancy right there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and definitely subscribe to my mother's channel. Lots of love to you guys. One love.